What's up, you guys? We got a good old-fashioned price prediction for TRON TRX BITTORRENT BTT, and we're going to talk about some South African monkey business because we got some disappearing currencies. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for coming. If you're a subscriber, a returning member, a loyal fan, a loyal viewer, I appreciate you very, very much. Thank you for being here. Now, if you're new, you know what I'd like you to do? Don't do what I used to do in the past. I used to get immersed in videos, love them, but not support the content creator because I'd get immersed, distracted. It's free to do, helps me a lot, helps the channel grow. Kindly hit the notification bell, subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below because I do want to interact with you. Let me know if you agree with me, disagree with me, add to the points that I'm making. Let's start with some prices. We're going to start with BITTORRENT BTT, currently sitting at not much, but that's okay because it's a big, huge buying opportunity. You have a file sharing, older than old network that's well anchored in the industry, and it is positioned to do great things in the present and in the future. In the present, the price will not reflect it. I will give you my prediction later in the video in terms of where BTT BitTorrent is going, and I'm also going to do the same with TRON TRX. Let's see where TRON TRX is sitting this morning. By the way, if you're wondering, it's currently June 24th, 2021. It is 8:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We got Tron sitting here at 0.06591. Same as BTT. Lots to do, not an oldie because BTT was around way before Tron. It was around in the early days of the internet where there was no Netflix and everyone did the naughty, which is they shared movies and exchanged files that they, for the most part, a lot of the time, probably shouldn't have been exchanging. But anyway, we got Ethereum Classic sitting over there. Let's go and take a look because, you know, we got some serious option expiries happening with Bitcoin in the very near future, imminently, and we got the same happening with Ethereum, and I think Ethereum is going to get a big spanking. I'll talk about them right now, just as an added bonus, and then the price prediction for one of the topics of the video with BTT, BitTorrent, and TRON TRX I'll do later on in the video. So we got Ethereum here sitting at $1,973. I think what's going to happen, what you're going to see, is you're going to see a little bit of a vortex of reverberation of it going down. Hit the like button if you agree, subscribe and hit the bell, and comment down below. I think that I'm going to see this hit the $1,550 mark, if not this week, by next week. Now, we got Bitcoin at $33,988.60. I believe that that's going to kiss 30 again and bounce, and like I've been saying from even before the recent crash in the next few weeks, well, in the last few weeks, I think it's going to trade range bound between 30 and 45 the rest of the year. So let's go on to, and yes, again, let me know if you like the idea of the price prediction. Hit the bell, hit the like button. I'm talking about Tron and BitTorrent because that's going to be coming during the video. So 3.6 billion in Bitcoin vanishes in hack along with owners of South African crypto platform. Sounds pretty mysterious and ominous, right? I'm sure it doesn't feel that way in an interesting mystery sort of way if you lost money in here. If you did, I'm sorry. Billions worth of Bitcoin has reportedly vanished. Reminds me of like the MX, the GOX scenario years ago. Has reportedly vanished along with the operators of South African crypto firm AfriCrypt. Is it a scam or a hack? I don't know. Around 69,000 Bitcoin BTC has vanished. And by the way, my source, as I always share, is Cointelegraph. I saw this article a few minutes ago and I thought that it would be an interesting one to share, so I don't really know what's happening here. And like most of my videos, they're off the cuff, which I like to do because it's natural and I think it's unique. I don't think there's too many off the cuff videos on the internet or YouTube for that matter. And I like to do things differently. So my reactions are quite often like your reactions. They're kind of in the moment most of the time. Although the facts are yet to be proven in court, if it turns to be an exit scam rather than a hack, it would be the biggest in history according to Bloomberg. Well, that's pretty big then. There were warning signs for investors either way, with users reportedly promised returns of up to 10% a day. When somebody offers you 10% a day, it's time to run away. That's never good. Never a good sign. AfriCrypt was founded in 2019 and operated by brothers Amir Raiz Kaji. It had reportedly amassed around 54 billion rands worth of BTC, or 3.6 billion at the time, when it sent a message to investors on April 13th claiming the platform had been hacked. The firm said it would halt operations while it began the process of attempting to receive stolen funds and compromised information. South African law firm Honeycomb Attorneys, which has taken the case on behalf of affected users, said suspicions were aroused as the message included the warning that clients may proceed the legal route. But we asked clients to please acknowledge that this will only delay the recovery process. You know, I love lately when nefarious things happen and the representatives of a firm, entity, or a person have the audacity to tell people, you can go ahead, go the legal route, but just know that this is not going to help you, is basically what they're saying. That is such nerve. It's such an insult to people's intelligence. It's disgusting. Hit the like button and subscribe and hit the bell if you agree with me on that one. And comment down below. I really want to hear from you. We were immediately suspicious as the announcement implored investors not to take legal action, Hanakami attorneys said. The law firm also claimed that AfriCrypt employees lost access to the back-end platform 7 days before the alleged hack. Honeycomb Attorneys alleges that the brothers transferred the 69,000 BTC, which is now worth 2.2 billion, wow, after the recent price tumble from AfriCrypt's accounts and client wallets, and subjected the funds to various dark web tumblers and mixers, resulting in severe fragmentation to make the funds untraceable. That does not sound good. The brothers have been unreachable with calls going directly to voicemail. While the AfriCrypt website is also down, the law firm has reported the case to an elite unit of the National Police dubbed the Hawks. Wow, wow, wow. So for the price prediction, I believe that you're going to see a BTT BitTorrent at half a penny by the end of August. And I feel that you're going to see a TRON TRX at 10 cents also by the end of August. So for those of you that have not bought yet, I think you're in for a treat. Again, this is not investment advice. This is just my opinion. I think it's a great entry point. And for those of you who have bought but aren't too happy or are okay with it because you understand what it means to average down and you don't mind it, it's a great time to buy more. And if you're still upset, it's still a great time to buy more, because if you average down with any investment, guess what? It's exactly that. Sorry, my nose is itchy. Allergies. You average down, right? So let's say your average price was 12 cents. If you can get your average price down to 7 or 8 cents, or even 10 cents, or even 5 cents, whatever it is, you end up getting a cheaper price in the end, and that will make you feel better if you happen to be underwater on the pricing, your average costing, or if you're not yet exactly where you want to be. So always look at it as a buying opportunity, and I assure you, patience is your superpower. Hodling is your superpower. Unless you're holding an SH asterisk T coin, then that's a different story. But that is not what BitTorrent BTT is. It is not what TRON TRX is. You are, in my opinion, in great hands. I'm a hodler there, and you have a lot to look forward to. So if things aren't going the way you want, and you understand that things will go the way you want, but in your personal life, let's say, or in your business life unrelated to crypto, if things kind of suck, know that there is a bright light at the end of that tunnel, and that it is going to be bolstered price-wise, in my opinion, in the near future. And these are two coins that long-term, I believe, as I've said before several times, Tron will clip $1 in the future, and BTT will clip 25 cents. So you are in marvelous, marvelous shape. Now, so back to these brothers in South Africa. The brothers have been unreachable with calls going directly to voicemail. While the AfriCrypt website is also down, the law firm has reported the case to an elite unit of the National Police dubbed the Hawks. According to African online crypto news outlet Bitcoin Key, AfriCrypt drew in clients by targeting high net worth investors and urging them to refer their friends while also offering returns of 10% daily. The eye-watering daily return puts the 10% monthly return promise to users of South African crypto Ponzi scheme Mirror Trading International into the shade. All right, well, that's definitely not fun news for people that are involved, so always, always, always be shrewd, be cautious, be smart, and be patient. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't, and I will see you on the next video. Hope this finds you as usual, healthy and happy.